Hi friends, this video shows how to turn on or off developer options. Go to settings, select all settings from top right corner, go to system, go to about, go down, select Android TV OS build. Here we need to press OK button or select button on the remote 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See the message, you are now a developer. Go back. Now under system we can find new option called developer options. Select it. These are the list of developer options. From this list let me find USB debugging. See, select it, let me enable, select OK. Done. This way we can enable USB debugging. If you want to disable, you can disable here. Let me go to top. Here we can disable developer options. I recommend to disable developer options after the use because of security issues. Let me disable. Done. Then go back. See, now under system it's not showing developer options because I have disabled. This way we can turn on or off developer options. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.